Hi there. So I got something I want to say here real quick, which is, oops. No, I wanted to say it more like, oops. I'm not sure how to say this. Anyways, I messed up. You know how I've been saying that I'm going to be live starting January 2nd? Well, newsflash. And this is, you're probably going to laugh about. Stock market's closed on January 2nd. Grrr! That's right, it's closed. New plan. So I'll be starting the live shows January 9th. Now, you probably thought I was going to say January 3rd, but what the hell? You know, I'll practice another week in the simulator and then kick off the big show on a Monday. So mark your calendars, January 9th, 6:23 a.m. Meanwhile, welcome to the pregame. And day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine, practice it in a simulator, and that's what I'm going to do. And thank you for joining me right here at Eva Trades. It's October 14th in the simulator. We have 5 minutes to go until the market opens, starting right now. So let's break down the charts. I have 3 tickers off of the gap scan. Yay, I'm recording. Makes me happy to know that it's recording and I don't have to start over again. That has happened. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, ATXI is the leading gapper. Let's take a look here first at IMRA. I haven't really even looked these over very closely yet. So IMRA is really light on volume, consolidating here. Made a breakout, had a breakout, broke out over this previous post-market level, but didn't hold it. This is the 15-minute and the hourly. So we have a 15-minute, little lower high and a lower low. Little level right there. Let's see what that looks like on the 5-minute time frame. There we go. So 350-ish, that's a good level to play off of, I would suppose. It's psychological, it's a pivot, it's also the VWAP and the EMA. So we have a support also down here. So right now it's just consolidating. It's a 5-minute downtrend. So we want to see a 5-minute uptrend. We could look for a 1-minute trend reversal to give us the first clue that the 5-minute temporary bottom is in. So some action here happening. ATXI 5-minute uptrend. We have this equilibrium right here with a high, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break. So we could come and back test 320. We also have that pivot right there at 312. Right now we have a support at 330, kind of. Bulls attempting a breakout here, but failing to hold up at the moment. So on the 1-minute time frame, anything above 330 is a higher low. Bulls want to see a higher low and another higher high. But from here, this kind of pullback, I would expect more of an equilibrium before we see a break in either direction, bearish or bullish. Equilibrium over here on LASE on the 5-minute time frame. High, low, lower, high, higher, double bottom. Well, bears broke this previous low, but only by a penny. So I'd still call that a double bottom. Bulls bought that dip, higher low, or triple bottom, whichever you prefer. So breaking over that resistance, a lot of chop, but a higher low again. So we have a higher low, higher low. Bulls looking for this to be a higher low. Anything above 490 would be considered a higher low. 2 minutes to go till the market opens. And I guess over here on IMRA, we could say we have a support there at 357, and we just tested that. Okay. So, trading above the VWAP on all three. Kind of tricky today. I don't know. I'm thinking we may see some consolidation. I don't know. I'm just looking at the larger time frames, how we have basically no consolidation yet. So it is coming. Starting to see it here on the 15 minute. 1 minute to go till the market opens. You can see we have a, I mean, this is basically a bull pennant here. But anyways, so I could draw a line here. Ten seconds to go. So we have hourly consolidation underway on IMRA. As you can see, this candle is breaking the low of the last. So that 15-minute seeing continuation on the downside. But we'll see if the bulls buy that dip and hold up. Look at this here. So 340 is a good level to enter at. 17 cents. LASE also making its move here. Just changing some stop loss parameters to get ready to trade. Got 6 seconds to go till I can place a trade. I wasn't prepared there. I could have sold half, or I could have sold everything there on ATXI. But I was looking over here at LASE. I was thinking of selling a partial on that. Adding back in on ATXI there. Now I'm selling. I'm going to sell the rest of it there. And I'm going to sell over here on LASE, so I'm all out. So hitting my daily goal, whatever I'm saying. I don't know sometimes. So just like that, up over 200 bucks, and that is going to do it for me. So we can sit here and watch a little bit. I think that's going to do it for me. I'm tempted to actually place a trade right there like that and get back out. That was a quickie. And jump back in it again, look for that move up and sell again. So there we go. So now up over 300. So just a couple of quick trades. Wow, LASE. I had thought about getting in it here when it was pulling back, and I was like, yeah, if it was going to break, it would have done it here. I'm not going to buy that inside bar. So glad I didn't, but down here would have been a good spot to jump in that. And why? It's because we have those support areas down here, 490. You also had 488. You have 487. You have 486. So a lot of support areas here. So a lot of areas to play off of where people are buying. Yeah, and you could have sold it up into here, you know. Could have made 10 cents on that. 10 cents on 1,000 shares is 100 bucks. Boom, just like that. So I'd be looking for consolidation here on ATXI. You could enter down at 347. It's an inside bar right now. We'll watch it here for a second and see if it's going to pull back or a bull's just going to buy it and push the price right through that red candle there. It is holding up. Might just do it here. Yep, ATXI breaking out there. That's a strong stock. That's one you want to be in, for sure. I, on the other hand, fingers off the keyboard. I almost punched an order right there. Look at that. I'm so glad I didn't. I was close to doing it, but nope, fingers off the keyboard. I'm done. My dirty hands, if you can see that. I probably can't. I was staining some wood earlier. All right, well, that's it for me. I'm out, and we'll see you next time right here at Eva Trades. Happy Friday, and have a good weekend. I'll be back in the simulator, of course, Saturday morning. See you then. Bye-bye.